Okay, in this video, we are going to solve exponential inequalities, and these are the four problems that we will solve together. And so if you want to pause the video here and attempt them, feel free. So this is the first one, and the way we're going to do this is make the base the same first. So this base is 2, this is 16, but we can change it. So let's write this down. We have 2 raised to x minus 5 is greater than. Instead of saying 16, you can change it to 2 raised to 4. This is because 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16. So now the bases are the same. The only thing is different is the exponent. Because the exponent is different, we get to just focus on the exponent part. So x minus 5 is greater than 4. Okay, now we want to get rid of the negative 5, so you can add 5 on both sides. And we're going to get x is greater than 4 plus 5 is 9. So our final answer is that x is greater than 9. Okay, this is a second problem. Same procedure. You notice the base is different, so we can change the base to have the base of 3. So we have 3 raised to x plus 5 is less than. Instead of 81, you can change it to 3 raised to 4 because 3 times 3 is 9, 9 times 3 is 27, and 27 times 3 is 81. So the base is the same, so now we get to focus just on the exponent. So x plus 5 is less than 4. We want to get rid of the positive 5. You can do that by subtracting 5 on both sides, and we get x is less than 4 minus 5 is negative 1, and we can box in this answer. Okay, this is a third problem, and I gave a hint. Answer will be in terms of logs, and I also have our previous log chart. The way we're going to do this problem, the issue is 4 raised to no number will give you 87. It just doesn't work. And so we have to apply the inverse properties of logs. So what we're going to do is say log base 4, and we're going to do it on both sides. Parentheses 4 raised to x minus 2, close parentheses, is greater than. I added a log base 4 on this side, so I have to add it on this side too. So log base 4 of 87. And by doing this, log base 4 of 4 raised to x minus 2, all of this is canceled except the exponent. So we're going to keep x minus 2. X minus 2 is greater than, we're going to keep our log base 4 of 87. And now we want to get rid of the negative 2, so we can add 2 on both sides. So we're going to get x is greater than log base 4 of 87 plus 2. And this right here is our final answer. And if you want to pause the video here and attempt this problem, feel free. So same issue with this problem, like 3 raised to 3 is 27 and 3 raised to 4 is 81. So there's no value to give us 60. So we have to apply the inverse property of logs. So we do log base 3 on both sides in order to get rid of this 3. So we put 3 raised to x plus 4 is greater than log base 3 of 60. Because we put log base 3 here, we had to put it right here too. So by doing this, all of this is canceled except the exponent, again using the inverse properties of log. So we're going to get x plus 4 is greater than log base 3 of 60. So we want to get rid of the positive 4, so we're going to subtract 4 on both sides. And we're going to get x is greater than log base 3 of 60 minus 4. And we can box in this answer. And that's all we need to do to solve exponential inequalities.